now we connect already all the wires. We put the computer box on its place. We just put the ignition key and the key reader so that we can check the starting, if the car is gonna start now. So ignition on and we start. Car is starting now. Why does it go off? So the car is starting now. Let's rev and see if it car is okay now. Starting. So now we can put everything back on his place. We can put everything back and close the car. Car is idling now. Let's switch off and start again. Car is fine. Starting nice. So let's put back everything together.